guys, so here we are. I'm at the airport already and I'm inside. I have a connecting flight, so right now I'm in Cebu going to Manila. Next is Manila to um, Bangkok. I'll see you there. We have arrived in Manila. Nakapag-check-in na tayo sa
Anong katagalog ka, day?
Let's go to the immigration. I'll show you how it goes, but I cannot video. Sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo kung anong nangyayari. First, magpapapalit muna ako ng konting Thai baht kasi didiretso na ako sa hotel ko pagdating ko. Okay, so finally done with the immigration and we get through and we're going to going to my gate right now and tada! Yung flight ko ano pa around 12 p.m. 12 in the morning, so I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna eat here. See you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm just waiting to board and my flight is around 12 midnight. And the questions my immigration sa akin was just what do I do for work, and yun lang naman. Tapos pinakita ko lang yung contract ko sa work kasi wala akong COE kasi naman ako independent contractor, so that's it. And then I got through and then voila, we're going to Thailand. I'll see you there later. Bye. Kain muna tayo pa. So let's eat. This is the closest I could get to a cake, guys. It's my birthday, so it's a birthday cake. A muffin. Let's eat. Ta-da! Finally arrived in Thailand and I don't have the energy, but let's go to the immigration and finally go to the hotel. First is I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven. I'm gonna try to find an open exchange, foreign exchange store, and then finally to the hotel, diba? Alright. It's in Thailand. It's so happy. We have arrived in Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok. Yes, I'm in Bangkok already. And I just passed by the immigration. Nakapasar na sa daan. So, finally here. It's official. I'm in Bangkok and I'm so excited. Although, I'm very tired, guys. I haven't slept like even just an hour. Wala, di ko nakatulog. Yeah, baby. Nagkape mo ko ganihagod. Yeah. Smart to siya. I'll see you. I'll just claim my bag and I'm gonna go roam around a little to show you what is here in this airport. In Suvarnabhumi. Isot ka siya. Sama to siya. We are going to claim our baggage over there. Guys, sa airport nila may robot na kalalinis. Wala kayo dyan. Wala to sa Pinas. Tignan mo. Let's explore a little bit. There. Aray! Guys, namin sa 4th floor. We're at the 4th floor to get the SIM card. And I found a friend. Hi! Say hi! O, diba? Ang bilis kumakata ng friend. This friendship talaga tayo nito, guys. Kaya, let's go to KLOOK. Kung wala siya dito, gonna be on that end over there. So, mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Guys, how to get your KLOOK SIM card here in Bangkok. You have to find the letter K in the departure area dito sa 4th floor, yung K/L na may Buddha, 50,000. And then you go ahead
We found you, Klook. We're here for the zipper.
So, an advice pala kapag magbubook kayo ng KLOOK SIM card, make sure to book it in the Philippines. O di kayo, yung pagdating nyo dito, i-book nyo siya online kasi mas mahal siya kung bibilhin mo siya in Thai baht kesa sa bibilhin mo siya sa ad number. Ano to? Ad pa ba yung number? Guys, mahal siya kung bibilhin mo siya in Thai baht. Diba? But ang galing ko na magtagalog. Hirapan ako sa kalusot magtagalog day. Alright, we're going to basement level, and then we are going, bibili ako ng pagkain, at saka kung open na yung super rich na exchange store, doon na ako magpapapalit. Pero kung hindi, punta na ako, diretso na akong
We have arrived in 7-Eleven, guys. This 7-Eleven in Thailand, it reminds me of Korea, really. Parang ang dami-dami nilang pagkain, ang dami-daming klaseng yogurt. Mind you guys, it's very cheap. Like the yogurt, it's only 23 pesos or 26 pesos sa atin. Yung ganyan, mahal na yan, mga around 80, 100 pesos yan sa atin. Sa kanila, 23 pesos lang, guys. And also, they have varieties of food which is I really like. Sana ganito din 7-Eleven sa Pinas mo, kaya lang hindi. So, it's sad. Mas maganda yung 7-Eleven nila sa atin, guys. Yun.
Near the 7-Eleven is the city line, which is yung nila, yung tawag dyan, yung parang MRT nila sa atin. Then yung 7-Eleven dun lang banda, tapos dito na siya. So, it's in the basement. So, if you want to go on a choo-choo train, then you can go use their city line. Kaya lang, mga pa siya mag-open 5 a.m. and I'm not willing to wait because I'm so tired. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna book a Grab taxi. Kaya, let's go. Nagpa-exchange na ako ng pera pang taxi lang, tapos bukas na akong hanap ng medyo carry bells naman na foreign exchange, yung hindi masyadong mataas. Kaya yun lang, I'm gonna go to the taxi and I'll see you in the cab. Bye-bye. The first floor, and for the bus and other public transportation, you go here at first floor. I am now gonna be in exit number 4 kasi dito nagkita yung Grab ko. Kaya let's go out.
So this is the Grab pickup station when you exit and exit 4.
Here, I'll see you in my hotel. I'll give you a room tour. Tapos na tong vlog na to. Kasi hindi na kaya ng katuwang luto. My hotel. I'm in 1360 Kapka 130 Hotel and Residence. Pero mas taga sa Kakapoy, no? We have finally arrived in the hotel, and let's do a little room tour. Kaya little room man akong room. Di ba siya big? It's just good for me, I guess. Alright, let's do it. Now, ipag-zoom na to, guys. Char. So this is the bed. As you enter the room, you can already see the bed. And actually decoration, or at least aesthetic. And then this is the toilet. Oy, ako sa nila CR. Oy, it's fine lang. This is me. Hello, sawadika, kapong kap. Nasa like toiletries and the towel. Oy, naandari ang trono na ko. This is gonna be my trono. Nasa tissue and everything. And this is my bed. This is gonna be my bed, of course. And kilid ko sa kalsada, guys. So, kilid siya kalsada. What else do we have here? You have me. Hello! Annyeonghaseyo! Sawadika! And naiblower. Naigamay ng TV. Aircon. And what else do we have here? Oh, we have a mini kitchen. naatay tubig dahil nga libre and coffee and glasses and mini fridge. I'm sure walay sulod. O, see? Magot na to, guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I am so tired. I'm spent. Maong matulog na ta, and I'll see you tomorrow for another vlog. I'll show you around Bangkok, day 1 in Thailand. Watch out for that vlog. So please do subscribe, share, like, comment to my YouTube. I'm gonna be more active here, so please do share and also do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Adios. Mwah.